Okay, here's 5.2.2, a little practice. So, if quadrilateral PQRS is similar to quadrilateral XYZK, fill in the blanks using the given lengths and angle measures. So there's only a few pieces of information here. First thing you're going to do is try to sketch out these quadrilaterals, and remember, they don't need to be perfect. They just need to line up. Okay, pause. Okay, welcome back. Here we go. So as I look at something like this, I think to myself, all right, I've got PQRS, and let's put these down here at the bottom. Let's just have random quadrilaterals. They don't need to be perfect. So we have P, what's important, Q, R, S. We need to make sure things are in order. So PQRS and X, Y, Z, K, right? So they have to match themselves a little bit. Let's change some color here. All right, we're told that PQ, let's start with the lengths. PQ is 6, and we know that XY is 18. Okay, so right away, those two pieces of information tell us that we're in a 1:3 ratio, right? Because we are told the quadrilaterals are similar. So 6 to 18, 1:3 is the ratio. We're going to use that all the way around. So YZ is 24. Let's fill in everything else. RS is 5. And XK is 36. So those are all the given pieces of information. Let's write in green everything else. So to go 24, right? If it's a 1:3 ratio, this better be 8. If it's a 1:3 ratio, 5 and 15 must fit. And 1:3 ratio, 36 work backwards, and you make this 12. All right, so the answer is QR. Let's figure this out. Is 8. KZ is 15. And PS must be 12. Hopefully I did that right. Okay, over on the angles, let's do something a little bit different over there, purple. We are told that angle Q is 70. 70. Okay. Well, that means that angle Y has to be 70, right? So we can fill that right in. 70. Angle S is 50 degrees. Well, that means that K is 50 as well. K is 50. And X is 100. My scale is pretty terrible. That means that angle P is also 100. Now you notice that there's a couple things that are left here, R and Z. And you might have thought to yourself, well, how do I know? Remember back to polygons, and that the total number of angles inside a four-sided polygon is 4 minus 2 times 180, right? Better known as 360 degrees. And we've already used up 70, 150, and I think that adds up to 220, right? And if we've used 220 degrees, right, 120, that's right, the last one has to be 140 degrees. So Z is 140. Terrible scale, of course, but that's okay. And R is also 140. Hopefully you got both of those, or all of those. Lots of information that comes from two things being similar.